In this episode, we're going to create a QR reader. So if we have a web camera or a mobile device with a camera, we can hold up a QR code, and that QR code will get recognized and it'll remove the video that was displaying and then fill in the form with the appropriate label. And also notice, without leaving the page, we also stop the camera access, so it's no longer using the camera once that has been dismissed. And it's important to realize that with a QR code, it is not an encrypted message or anything like that. Instead, it is really just a scrambled image which contains some text. So here I have one for Drift and Ruby, and it just points to that URL. But if I refresh the page, I can just show the taco soup again, and then I'll enter that into the form field. So once we create the product, I also want to have a way that we can generate a QR code on the Ruby server side so that can then be displayed and then the user can use that however they wish. And the nice thing about QR codes is that they really are just that text. So we can make this a link directly to this product, or if we had some other kind of action like a GET request, which could maybe increment a value or something like that, then we can use QR codes for that as well and just tie it to a Rails controller and an action, which would then do whatever kind of backend necessary work. And to accomplish all of this, we are going to be using a couple of different libraries. We need a QR generator on the backend, but then we also need a way to recognize the QR codes on the front end, and we will be using Stimulus and a JavaScript library to accomplish that. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? So be sure to check that out and use the promo code RUBY for free shipping within the United States. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.